The HMF family of companies has supported the Mini Chopper program for 4 years now. It's a great program, and we've taken first place 2 out of the 4 years. It's a great learning experience for kids. The best part about it is it's real world experience, trying to produce something that actually has to function. It actually has to roll down the road. The kids have to budget. They have to live within a budget. They have to coordinate suppliers. And they have to show their craftsmanship in designing and building the product. We work with them during the design process to make sure they're incorporating our logo or our corporate identity into the product. And then once we've agreed upon a design, they move on to try and build and bring that design to life. So it's a full scope project that really introduces kids to how things like this, projects like this, operate in the real world.